In this guide, we'll show you the proper steps to install an N connector clamp type on an LMR400 coaxial cable. Here's what you'll need: the N connector, your LMR400 cable, a cable cutter, stripping tool, and torque wrench. Start by cutting the LMR400 cable to your desired length. Next, use a cable stripping tool to remove the outer jacket, exposing the shielding braid and dielectric. Be careful not to nick the braid. Trim back the shielding braid neatly, leaving enough to make contact with the connector. Cut away the dielectric, ensuring that the center conductor is clean and straight. Slide the clamp nut and gasket onto the cable first. Now position the back part of the connector body onto the exposed braid. Ensure it's sitting firmly. Screw the clamp nut onto the connector body until snug. Use your torque wrench to tighten it according to the manufacturer's specifications, ensuring a secure fit. Once the connector is installed, continuity test to ensure a solid connection. If the results are good, your N connector is ready to go. That's how you install an N connector clamp type on an LMR400 coaxial cable. For more tips and professional tutorials, stay tuned.